So, oh my god, there was a big beast following me. I was so scared out of my mind. It was insane. Yeah, I didn't know what to do. What was that? It's coming.
Scary. That's so scary. I'm trying to save him because I don't want him to get hurt, but he's not listening to me. So what do I do? But no, he's not there. Oh, up a little more. No, up more. Alvin, Simon, Theodore, come eat your peanuts. People just saw me do that.
People.
Oh, Finley. Finley? What the heck?
What?
Okay, what if I want to go like this? Selfie. Wait, no, stop walking. Stop walking. Oh, what the? It's getting really close. This is scary. No way. What? Scary. That's so scary. They don't want any, but this one is. So scary. That's so scary. Are they following us?
I really want to eat one. Catch one of them eating it.
Okay. Yeah, but what's the dog gonna do? The dog's over there. Okay, wait. I'm gonna see if they swallow it whole. Oh, that was pretty good. They're following us.
Wait, do your honking to see if they like communicate.
It
my
likes.
God.
It likes when I do that.
Chloe's communicating with it. Hey, buddy.
Finley,
I don't know what sounds in here.
people are like staring at you. Wait, do that again, Finley. Did it just catch it?
Almost got it.
Oh, it's a race. It's a race. Whoa. It's gonna bite your finger. Wow, look at this.
I'm
wild
scaring
turkey.
them.
Selfie with the chickens, or what are they, turkeys? Guys. So I think I'm experiencing a little like weirdness because I keep like hearing stuff in my head. I like keep on like stepping on stuff, and like I don't really know what it is. Like I keep getting pushed to the side. The wind is so strong. I have to save him.
Oh God, yeah, right there, right there.
Hey, woo! Fly away, my little butterfly.
Fly away, my little Akuma.
Bye-bye, little butterfly.
Don't eat the poisonous berries.
Are these red currants?
Oh my God, oh my God. It's so cute. I'm spotting everything.
Oh my God, it's so cute.
I'm spotting everything today.
Oh my God, it's so... Look at how cute he is. Oh my goodness.
Did you take it?
That feels so
Oh my God, I
weird.
just felt it on-
Good climbing tree. Not very stable.
Alvin. Alvin. Simon. Oh. Oh my God, it feels so cool.
What? Finny!
Oh my God, this feels so cool.
I'm gonna kick Finny right now. Oh my God, I'm so close. Finny, this is my bird. That startled me so much. So today we have fed ourselves. We have fed chickadees, squirrels. Oh my God, I see the blonde one. Look at the walking tree. Finley. Such pretty trees.
6. I got 7. How many did you get?
7? You got 4.
No, what?
Oh. This place feels oddly familiar. Probably because I've been here before. We have a nice forest segment. Look at the fairy. She lives there. I just saw the fairy. This might be a 2-part vlog. I don't know. Shout out to Allie. She watches all my videos. Down below, if you want to see more videos like this, I don't know what to say. Or if you like this video or other video suggestions, or like share it with your friends. I like how I'm always so close up. Like I'm like this close. Like most vloggers are like this, but then it's like more public than everyone's looking at you.
You should get the vlog cam built into your arm like Jake Paul.
It's really dumb.
I know. Did you see that though? It's so
Yeah,
stupid.
that's so dumb.
They ripped out his flesh and inserted a movable and turnable camera.
It's just nasty. Don't do that, kids. Oh my God, what if he's like, what happens when he's like traveling? He has to go through that metal detector thing.
Oh my God. So our Chloe's phone died, and unfortunately, hopefully the video saved. If it didn't, then we're just gonna be doing this video. It was an epic content though. It's not an intro because it's the same video.
No, I know, but like I didn't even do an intro like for the whole video.
We can just do an intro here and like they won't know. It's all the same, looks like the same.
What's up guys, it's ACC Finn. Welcome back to another Fortnite video. Today we're doing a fashion show montage. It's such a like pretty view and stuff. Hello? Okay, so I feel like we did go.
We were supposed to turn, remember? You were too busy doing your whole vlog thing.
No, Finley, we're going the right way. We're the leaders.
Wait, let's do like, let's just cut
No,
it
but
to,
like we're
us
actually
running
lost.
and showing like, okay, so like.
We went the wrong way. We went there. No, let's just, no, let's pretend like, yeah, let's just pretend we're lost. People are coming, no, so you have to hurry. Go, okay, just run. Oh my God,
Okay,
we're lost.
yeah, we're lost. Show your face, dude.
Oh my God, we feel like astronauts in the ocean.
Yeah. Oh my God, we're dead.
Okay, cut, that was good.
That's not good.
So yeah, if this video gets to 5K likes, I will do another Meet the Celebrity.
That's like.
I was pretending to like be like a famous YouTuber.
Oh, yeah.
But they probably wouldn't believe it because it's not even a real camera. What's up guys, it's ACV. What's up guys, it's ACC Finn. No. What's up,
Whenever I do a collab with someone, I say, "What's up, guys? It's ACC Finn, joining alongside the man, the myth, the legend,
Okay, yeah.
ACC Avery Mid."
What's up guys, it's ACC Finn. What's up guys, it's ACC Finn. How do you say that? What's up guys, it's ACC Finn. Today we are joined alongside the man, the myth, the legend, Mr.
Why do you like practice your intros? Just go along with it. Just go with the flow.
No, like I'm
What's up,
pretending.
guys? It's ACC Finn. Welcome
No,
back to
Finley,
another
like
video.
I'm trying to imitate yours. What's up guys, it's ACC Finn. I did it that time. Yeah, so make sure to get this video to 5K likes.
Editing Chloe here. Was it just me, or did someone literally say like and subscribe in the background? Like it was a deep like male voice. Like I don't know this voice. Please tell me I'm not the only one who heard that.
This video to 5K likes, and I will do another meeting celebrity gig with Selena Gomez and Justin Bieber. Was that good?
Yeah, Beebsy.
Beebs. Please comment down below. Please comment down below if you want to see Finley do some.
Justin Bieber, baby.
If you want to see Finley do some like
Non-Fortnite related videos.
yeah. Oh my God. Oh my God. Guys, something's chasing us. Okay, now it's your turn to act. Like go to the ledge there.
Okay. Oh my God, guys! There's someone chasing us with a knife. There's no other choice.
And then it goes black.
Yeah. 2, 1, 20 bucks. Now it's gonna be times by 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm charging you $100. Limited time offer.
Finley, I'm not paying you to do this. Hey guys, I'm gonna quit YouTube because my brother. I'm sorry to say, but I was planning a great video for you, but I don't have enough money to pay my actors to do it. And what do you mean a whole? You don't know where the gum is at home? There's this. Oh, that's why it's secret. We have a secret stash of gum, like a huge box.
Shut up.
No, we do, and that's why it's hiding.
Fine. Tell me where it is
Okay,
then.
I'll show you when we get home, and then okay, it's in the office in the. Okay, so never mind, guys. I'm not quitting YouTube because.
Just don't put the previous one about.
Never mind, guys. I'm not quitting YouTube. Whoa, that's cool. A wild bog here. Ah, mosquito biting me.
Wait, what do I do? What do I say?
You.
Okay, so there was a massive beast.
No, I
yeah?
didn't. Okay, now.
Oh God. Okay, is it going? Jeez. Oh my God, there was a massive beast. It was so crazy. I thought I was gonna die. Wait, what? Can you see the log?
No, I'm filming.
Wait. There was a beast. I thought I was gonna die, and oh my God, it was so like nerve-wracking and everything. They can't hear that. Okay, so I'm gonna make it.
So
we were staying back to film something, and our family went ahead, but we don't know which way they went, because there's a fork in the road.
We either go this way, or we go this way.
Which way would you like to choose? Left or right?
I feel like they would.
I feel like they go
water.
this way. I feel like they do go this way though, because isn't it the completing the circle? It's exquisiter when you have to figure it out.
Like add that music in. It's called Jigsaw music. It's like da 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 da.
Oh, I wish I had nuts. They're ducks.
Right when it goes duh, you have to do it, okay?
Duh. And then it goes back.
No, go right there.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Oh, look at you. Oh, you're so pretty. So pretty. I think I'm scaring them because I sound like a goose. Is that a loon over there? Is that a loon?
Yeah.
Yeah, it just went under. I have a kind of a weird feeling about this because it doesn't look like anyone's been here. Okay, guys. It's been 48 hours.
It's been 2 years since you looked at me.
Driving sorry. Chickadee China, the Chinese chicken.
Have a drumstick and that brain keeps.
Sorry to break the news to you, but we had to call our parents to see.
Yeah.
So we went the wrong way, and now we're lost.
So we have to go back to where there's the fork in the road, cut back to that scene. Bam, okay, now you saw where there's the fork in the road again. And we
Oh, it's
are
like the
gonna
choose
go
your own adventure.
to the right.
So like, yeah, that's so fun. It's time to choose your own adventure. Which way do you want to pick for the fork in the road, left or right? Right? Okay.
And then like edit the jumping
And
in.
then, yeah. Okay, so little update. We're now back on track. We take the left track now.
Yeah, but our parents said that there's 4 tracks so you go to the right and then there's gonna be a clearing with 4 tracks and there's gonna be baby turkeys there. But he said we go to the middle left, I think. It was kind of confusing. So
Yeah,
I
so
don't know.
there's one there, and one there. Oh, and then maybe that's the 4th one? But then he said, what? Left. So was he talking about this right? But then this is the way we came, so we should just go this way.
It doesn't matter.
Because updates, a week has gone by.
No food, no water, no shelter. It's
No Wi-Fi.
Extreme rainstorm. Look at this. All
Look
the
at all the
trees that
rain.
fell down.
Everything.
A very harsh weather condition. There's no.
It's hailing
there's no,
actually. Piece of ice
A
just
piece of ice just
went in my
ruptured her
ear.
skull.
I don't know what my name is anymore.
Oh, but it looks like straight ahead of us there are a bunch of cars.
It's the bright
Hopefully,
side coming
one of
in.
them are our cars. If our parents are still there, waiting
Or
for
maybe
about a week or
it's,
so.
maybe we don't know if 50 years has gone by or not.
Yeah, there's no
Shall see.
bathrooms. I've had to take and wipe with a bunch of leaves.
Okay, we're cutting this. Bye.
Are you kidding me? So close. Hey, look who it is. Look who didn't do an outro. Thank you guys for so much for watching this video. Comment down below your favorite part. I really liked feeding the wild turkeys.